Hello everybody. Just got a question on my Instagram DMs, like I always do. Actually, you can talk to me on my Instagram DMs at KeshRT and drop me a question. Maybe I'll make a video about it. Anyways, got a question which said, if you do drawing camp, can you earn money? Some hard cash. Will you be the world's best artist at the end of drawing camp and just make tons and tons of money and just... I don't want to throw this because it'll make a lot of mess. So, you get the idea. I'm doing this for dramatic effect. Anyways, someone asked me, this person, part-time fashion designer, married, and he wants to start up a career in art. And they asked me, if I start doing your courses, what can be my prospects of earning money? I mean, how much can I earn money? Well, I told the person that I try to unless you want me to reveal your name, please mention that in the DM. I'll be happy to reveal your name. I just want to maintain people's privacy because I'm better than Facebook. That is a bad joke. Okay, there are a couple of ways to tackle this question. Will you earn money once you're done with drawing camp? It depends. It depends on a lot of factors. It depends on how much work you put in and how you market your skills out there for the world, because drawing camp at the moment is not teaching marketing. Or maybe I should probably include lots of podcasts and classes on how to actually build a brand around your art and around yourself, market yourself. Now, I want to again start with this example. I've been always talking about this artist because it's sort of fun. I'll talk about two artists today actually. One is D for Drawing, which I've already talked about in another video. Person who did 100 days of sketching twice, improved their skills, and they're doing freelance works. I've been seeing their articles on newspapers. Fantastic job, right? That person worked their butt off to get where they are. And Sketched Up 20, I saw his work a couple of years ago. It was good, it was decent, but he did 100 days of sketching thrice over the years. I saw his work during last year's 100 days of sketching. I saw a couple of pieces which made me go holy crap, this guy is improving. Because these guys are trying to improve every single time they put in the work. When you get to an employable level of skill, this is a key term right here. This may sound schmancy fancy, right? It's all it's economicsy. Well, gotta learn those things. You need to be employable. You need to be of service because you need to be of value to someone else. Then only you can make money. Nothing is guaranteed. If anyone comes out and say, go. That's the worst thing about art schools. Some of the art schools, right? They give these guaranteed job placements. Like what? No, unless you do a bunch of other things to take the liberty and the freedom away from a company, and none of these crap is going to work. Obviously, some courses will lead you to a level of skill that offers you basic employment. Now we're taught that is IT though. This is art. You need to be of good skill. You need to be at a good level of skill for someone to actually reach out to you and say, and you know what, I'm going to hire you because I have some graphic design work to do, some illustration work to do. I want to illustrate a children's book or a comic. Got to design this character for this new business that I'm starting. I wanted this new logo. There are so many factors. One, you got to put your work out there. And once you put your work out there, you got to be actually good at your work. And after you're good at your work, after you get your first client, you got to actually make sure that you're keep on putting your work out there and adding value to your audience so that you build an audience and a lot of people actually come to you and say, you know what, I saw your work, I like it, I want to employ you. So many factors. It's not like, if I do this, will this happen? If you do this, nothing will happen. People always look for certainty in life. Apparently, it's not a certainty that you'll live tomorrow, right? This is very true. If you think about it, we all have the certainty. We all feel the certainty that we will live tomorrow. But we don't all have the certainty that we will live tomorrow. Like that, you got to take away all the certainty away from things. Just think in a practical way. I need to be good. I need to get good. I need to form a small portfolio and I need to put my work out there, and then only, and if only, people will come to me. There's so much work that is involved between getting good and starting to make money. And there's so much work being involved between not being good and actually getting good at your craft. So at the end of the day, to answer the question, in a very simpler fashion, if you do drawing camp, can you start making money? Well, you gotta put in the work. If you put in the work, you'll get good at your craft. If you get good at your craft, you can put your work out there for other people to see, and then people will start coming to you. And how long will that take? I have no idea. It depends on how good you are. The people I mentioned, Sketched Up 20, D for drawing, good at marketing. They can shout, right? Hey, guess what? I'm here. Come to me. Most of your artists are all sitting on high towers with your crowns on your head, right? Right? You think the world needs to come to you and beg on your feet because you're this talented folk who can scribble something on a paper. None of the crap is going to happen. You got to be actually you need to actually go to other people and say, hey, can I be of some service for you? And if they are not an a-hole, they'll also be like, right, okay, good, sure. They'll look at your humility and go, maybe I need to offer that person the same level of humility as well. So couple of things, a lot of these things, I get at least 2 or 3 freelance requests every day these days, right? I take none, zero, nada, because I make enough money to sustain my lifestyle and on through other things that I'm doing, right? I get a lot of requests, freelance requests, children's books, comics, illustrations for board games, card games, good projects actually. I could actually take it up. Why am I not taking it up? Feels like I want to do my own thing rather than just doing things for other people, right? Maybe I should take some freelance. Maybe I'll probably do that after drawing camp. So many thoughts. At the end of the day, this is what you need to take away from the video. Put in the work, put your work out there, and that's all you can control. The rest, I don't know. That's an honest response right there. There's an honest response right there. You have the right to work, now the results it deserves. That is such a tough statement, but you gotta put that thing into your head because it's helpful. Bye-bye.